Welcome to Voice Solo. Designing for voice isn't the same as designing for the web or mobile. To create an engaging Alexa skill, you first need to design a compelling voice experience for your customers. Voice is the future, and Voice Solo builds Alexa skills that serve customers naturally. We want to help you take advantage of the latest technology and reach customers where they are. There are more than 100 million Alexa-enabled devices across the globe, and you can make money using in-skill purchasing or Amazon Pay to sell digital and physical products. We have the biggest team of voice-first professionals, excited and passionate about the projects they deliver daily. We also have a team dedicated to building visuals for multimodal Alexa devices to bring your skill engagement and retention to that next level. Talk to a voice-first professional today to answer any questions you may have. Getting started with Voice Solo is free and easy. So, why wait when you can talk to a voice expert today?